Hello everyone, Joey Riz here, come to you with another video from the 2026 New York International Auto Show. And here we're looking at something pretty special. This is the new Corvette Grand Sport. Now, they've used that name a couple times, but the thing is, what makes this one kind of special, as you can see the name there, Grand Sport, is that this comes with the new engine that's going to be in pretty much everything, or at least the new style of engine, the LS6 as they're calling it, 6.7 liter crazy displacement engine. But as you can see, this has the same bodywork as the ZR1, ZR1X, you know, the wide body kit has the 325s in the back. But like I said, the real thing about this is where they're testing out that new engine. But as you can see, they have it behind the glass. I can't touch it. And I don't even know if the engine's really in there, which is sad, but I would love to see that on display. As you can see, they have, you know, the 5.5 liter LT6s here that are currently in the cars here. You know, the ZR1, the ZR1X, they have the turbo one over there. But yeah, they don't really have the new engine out here to look at, which I thought they might have, but that's a little disappointing, but yeah. All right, so it turns out GM did actually show this off somewhere else for, you know, Car and Driver. I don't know why they don't have the engine here for us to see, so whatever, GM. The new Grand Sport, like I said, they won't really allow us inside. Looks about the same. But yeah, it's going to be wild. I really do want to get my hands on this new engine because I'm an LS fan. I've always been. I have a race car with an LS in it, so let's see how this goes. But this is just a quick look at the new Corvette Grand Sport here at the New York International Auto Show. This has been Joey Riz. See you later.